Hey everybody, I'm your man Dennis Pitzenberger here, SEMA 2019. I am in the GU Auto Tech booth with my man Jacques Jobet, and you guys have taken some great technology from all your background and brought it into some great vehicles here at SEMA.
Yes, indeed, that's correct. We've got some really cool automotive technology, and you guys must definitely check this out.
All right, Jacques, before we get into the cool technology you've brought to SEMA, let's talk a little bit about the background of the company and what kind of technology you're bringing as a whole and the R&D and everything that goes behind it.
Yeah, so to just sum it up for all of you is that it's high-tech automotive technology for specific vehicles, anything from infrared night vision to large touchscreens and all that of course takes and transforms your features on your base vehicle and just makes it insane.
Let's start with the infrared camera. What are the features and benefits to a person that, they want it, they couldn't buy the fancy car that had it, but now you give them the opportunity to add it to their vehicle?
That's a great example is our 12.1-inch screen that we've got in this beautiful truck behind me, and it's perfect for the buyer of a F-150 XLT, and they want to add on aftermarket reverse camera and navigation. This screen's got plenty features like that the base trucks don't have.
Talk about the connectivity and the installation and ease of this. Now, I know that it's probably a process someone could take on, but really let's talk about how it communicates all these different systems and how easy it is to add this to a vehicle.
So the whole purpose of all our R&D and our background is to make it OE grade, but for the aftermarket industry. And the thing is, it's completely, if I can say, plug and play. So you just DIY, it's very easily installation. Few bolts, it comes in with a few clips so that you can remove all the panels, and you just bolt it out, plug it in, off you go.
One of the things I thought was also interesting, if you've taken the time to make it accessible to every different line as far as whether it is that XL, XLT or going up and down the ladder. So it doesn't matter what particular model you have a way to have this integrated into the vehicle.
Yes, indeed. And that's the nice thing with all the amount of time and development and the money that we've put into this product. And it's available for all the F-150s, from the base one all the way Raptors and like the very nice Lariat Shelby off-road behind me. So it's fantastic for all platforms.
One last thing, because we have to touch on it, that heads-up display. I'm a guy who loves technology, but the wow factor is certainly there. Talk about the response when customers come through and look at your technology. What's the response from the customers or the people who want to sell this to their customers?
Yeah, it's been fantastic because, like we previously mentioned, it's usually technology that you find in military. So now that it's available for F-150 truck and a few other applications, now having this heads-up display unit, you can now have this insane infrared technology right in front of you whilst you're driving.
I'm a very wow factor type of guy, but it's really about safety. I mean, make people understand how important this can be to not only saving lives, but also protecting your vehicle.
Indeed, the thing is, you've got over 400 meters of range right in front of you, and the usual distance that your headlights is around about 150 meters. So that just gives you an idea how much further your range is, and it's excellent in low light and no light conditions, fog, rain. You can throw anything at it, and it's a very clear view. So that's the main importance about this product is safety, not just for you, for pedestrians, road users, cyclists.
All right, Jacques, you've given somebody an option, and that's always what's great about SEMA and all the new products we see out here. You've given them the ability to add infrared, heads up, great displays in their trucks. If people want more information about this, they got to learn about it. Where do we send them?
Yeah, they're more than welcome to visit our website. It's www.guautotech.com. There you can find all the specs, all the technologies, videos, so that you can actually experience it for yourself.
And you can find it in the dark. It is SEMA 2019.